Hello and welcome to BrightKnowledge Healthy Living, your go-to destination for tips, tricks, and insights on achieving a healthier lifestyle. Hey there, health enthusiasts, and today, we're diving deep into the skincare world. In this video, we'll be exploring the incredible benefits of castor oil for your skin. Specifically, we'll answer the burning question, what happens to your skin when you use castor oil daily? From its moisturizing properties to its ability to combat acne and reduce signs of aging, castor oil is a skincare powerhouse. Get ready to witness some jaw-dropping transformations as we reveal the effects of daily castor oil application on your skin. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to radiant, glowing skin, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest healthy living tips. Let's dive in. In the realm of natural skincare remedies, castor oil stands out as a hidden gem. Derived from the seeds of the castor oil plant, this thick, golden liquid has been used for centuries for its remarkable healing properties. Among its many benefits, applying castor oil to your face daily can result in transformative changes to your skin. In this video, we'll explore the wonders of castor oil and what happens to your face when you incorporate it into your daily skincare routine. What is castor oil? Castor oil is a vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the castor oil plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid with potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Additionally, castor oil contains essential nutrients such as vitamin E, which nourish and moisturize the skin, making it a popular choice in natural skincare regimens. Benefits of applying castor oil on your face. Moisturizes and hydrates. One of the primary benefits of applying castor oil to your face is its exceptional moisturizing properties. The thick consistency of castor oil creates a barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated throughout the day. Reduces acne and breakouts. Castor oil possesses antimicrobial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria on the skin. By applying castor oil regularly, you can reduce the occurrence of breakouts and achieve clearer, smoother skin. Fades scars and blemishes. The healing properties of castor oil make it effective in fading scars, blemishes, and dark spots. Regular application of castor oil can promote skin regeneration, leading to a more even complexion over time. Minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals and prevent premature aging of the skin. By applying castor oil daily, you can minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in a more youthful-looking complexion. Soothes irritated skin. Whether you're dealing with sunburn, eczema, or dermatitis, castor oil can provide relief for irritated skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe redness and inflammation, promoting faster healing and restoring the skin's natural balance. How to use castor oil on your face. Before incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, it's essential to perform a patch test to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Once you've confirmed it's safe for your skin, follow these simple steps. 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. 2. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel, leaving it slightly damp. 3. Using clean fingertips or a cotton pad, apply a small amount of castor oil to your face, focusing on areas of concern such as acne, scars, or dry patches. 4. Gently massage the oil into your skin using circular motions, allowing it to absorb fully. 5. Leave the oil on overnight for maximum benefits, or you can rinse it off after 30 minutes if you prefer. 6. Repeat this process daily for best results, adjusting the frequency as needed based on your skin type and concerns. Precautions. While castor oil is generally safe for topical use, it's essential to use it with caution, especially if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. Here are a few precautions to keep in mind. 1. Before using castor oil on your face, perform a patch test to check for any allergic reactions or irritation. 2. Avoid applying castor oil too close to the eyes, as it can cause irritation and discomfort. 3. If you experience any adverse reactions such as redness, itching, or swelling, discontinue use immediately and consult a dermatologist. 4. Always use cold-pressed, organic castor oil to ensure purity and potency. Conclusion. In conclusion, incorporating castor oil into your daily skincare routine can lead to remarkable improvements in the health and appearance of your skin. From moisturizing and hydrating to reducing acne and minimizing wrinkles, the benefits of castor oil are truly transformative. By following simple application techniques and taking necessary precautions, you can harness the power of this natural remedy for radiant, glowing skin. So why wait? Start pampering your skin with castor oil today and unlock its full potential for a complexion that radiates beauty and vitality. Thanks for tuning into BrightKnowledge Healthy Living. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing. Catch you later on BrightKnowledge Healthy Living. Remember, your journey to wellness starts here.